everyone, and welcome to the 2024 Industry Insights IoT Awards. I'm Tiffany Nielsen, CMO of IoT Marketing, who is the host of these awards. And joining me once again is the legendary Steve Brummer. And how are you today, Steve? He's a partner of BHIoT.
Oh,
I'm sure everyone knows him, but how are you, Steve?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me again, and I appreciate the opportunity to be a part of this.
Thank you, Steve. And we also have Johannes Beekman joining us, and he is the CEO and founder of IoT Marketing. How are you today, Johannes?
I'm doing great. How are you guys doing?
Excellent. Johannes,
Fantastic.
they can't get rid of us. It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, they keep calling us back, Steve.
Of course, who wouldn't? And we are so excited to have you join us today as it is time once again to honor the IoT and technology ecosystem for their efforts to push the industry forward with innovation, sustainability, and efficiency. And this is the 5th annual Industry Insights IoT Awards. And we are so pleased to recognize IoT and technology businesses and professionals for their success in 2024, with 10 award categories in a wide range of topics. And Steve, we've hosted this award ceremony together for the past 5 years now. Can you believe it?
We haven't gotten fired either, Tiffany. Can you believe that?
I know we are so grateful to have you be a part of our events.
I wouldn't miss this for the world. It's something I look forward to every December.
Me too. And for anyone that's unfamiliar with our Industry Insights IoT Awards, they started as a result of COVID. And at the time, and even now, businesses and professionals are under immense amounts of pressure. And markets continue to shift and change. And we want to recognize those who continue to excel during these ever-changing and challenging times. But it's always a good time to be in IoT, right, Steve?
Never a better day than today.
And in 2024, the biggest shift that we recognize for the Internet of Things is the integration of artificial intelligence. From Gen AI to Gen AIoT to Edge AI, there's a clear demand for AI to enhance the insights gathered from IoT devices. And Steve, it seems that you're always in the center of the action, participating in all the big events. So, Steve, how have you seen the industry change in the past year?
Well, AI is definitely a big part of it. I mean, when you start to look at the analytics that are being generated by the data that's a part of our world of IoT, the use cases and the case studies and the way things are getting deployed with AI are critically important to our industry because people are buying data. Remember, the sensor is only about producing the data. And so we are seeing a tremendous shift to getting a better understanding how AI and Gen AI can help us within the industry produce data that is usable, that customers want to see the data and utilize the data for their own problem solving. So we at BHIoT Group are spending an absorbent amount of time on companies that are looking to try and bring AI as part of their overall solution to market.
I love that, Steve, because for so long we've seen so much data go unused. So great
It is.
synopsis.
Yep.
And before we dive into the awards, let's talk for a second with Johannes. And Johannes, I'm glad that you can also join us and be a part of this 5th annual award show that we are hosting. And it's incredible to see how the industry grows and admire all the achievements that we've witnessed. But what's the biggest achievement that you feel the industry has achieved in 2024?
Well, basically the same as what you guys are seeing is the integration of AI in its various formats and AIoT, Edge AI, generative AI on the edge. It was only a few years ago that we were wondering what on earth we're going to do with all the data on the edge and even whether we could deploy something like generative AI on the edge. But here we are, and yeah, it's AI to the rescue, basically.
Thanks, Johannes. And what are you most looking forward to during this year's awards ceremony?
Well, and you see that in our monthly newscast, Tiffany, but the IoT industry is a mature industry, Tiffany. Yet it continues to experience a strong ongoing technology push, which is interesting. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what innovations the industry launched in 2024 and what their plans are for 2025.
Thanks, Johannes. And we do want to mention that IoT Marketing offers marketing, PR, and production services. We can do consulting, podcasts, webinars, whatever you need. We're happy to help you meet your marketing objectives for 2025 and beyond. And anything you'd like to add about that, Johannes?
Well, I know that everybody's busy with the year-end sales push, but 2025 is just around the corner. So contact us if you want to rise above the noise in 2025 and start the year strong.
Great. Thanks for joining us, Johannes. We're going to review the categories next. And Steve, let's take a look at this year's categories, 10 that honor not only organizations and products, but also individuals. Are you excited, Steve?
Yeah, I'm excited about the entries. I mean, if you look at the vast amount of companies that are here, the categories fit them perfectly. I like the idea of how many security and AI generated companies are involved in the top selections that we have. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it. All right. The year, IoT Company of the Year. And for product awards, we have Best IoT Security Solution of the Year, Greenest IoT Solution of the Year, Case Study of the Year, IoT Platform of the Year, IoT Product of the Year. And for individual awards, there is Smart Manufacturing Executive of the Year, Most Inspiring Woman in Tech, and IoT Executive of the Year. Steve, which category are you most excited about?
Right now, I'm most excited about the security category and platform category, Women in Tech Award, as well Executive of the Year Award. Those are the top ones I always love.
Perfect. Well, let's see who the winners are.
Yay.
And we'll begin with organizations. The first category we'll be covering is IoT Startup of the Year. Steve, do you feel the number of
So you got to have partners to do that with it, and all these companies do have that.
Perfect. And Steve, I'll go ahead and read the description on this one. So, in recognition of groundbreaking innovation and unparalleled contributions to the IoT landscape, the IoT Startup of the Year Award honors a visionary company that has redefined the possibilities of connectivity and technology integration. This award acknowledges the exceptional achievements of a startup that has demonstrated technological prowess and a pioneering spirit in the IoT domain. Additionally, it celebrates the relentless pursuit of excellence and disruptive thinking that propel the world toward a more connected and efficient future. Josh AI, CloudSpot, and IEEE. And the winner is Josh AI. And Josh AI is an American artificial intelligence company known for developing the voice-controlled home automation system known as Josh.
And it is fantastic. The timing is perfect for what Josh can bring to the marketplace, especially around consumers. And you also do touch too. So it combines that and gives families the ability to use their system well within the IoT world with all the sensors and connected devices in a home. Fantastic product, and looking forward to what they become.
Me too. And I believe we have a video from Josh AI.
Right.
Let's check that out.
Hi, everyone. My name is Casey Levy-Telek. I'm Director of Business Development here at Josh.ai. I just want to say thank you to the Industry Insights committee and team for awarding us Startup of the Year. Also, we're honored to receive the nomination for Product of the Year, which is just goes another step further for our dealers, our clients that are enjoying the Josh experience. It's been a momentous year for the company. We've launched a number of new hardware products. We've launched an award-winning software platform in AIOS from our CEDIA Expo trade show in September. And we're looking forward to much more to come in 2025 stay tuned for more information about Josh AI's winter launch event. It'll be coming in March of 25. And if anybody out there is interested in the smart home, AI in the home, and ultimately how technology is driving user experiences and elegant design in our living spaces, don't be a stranger and feel free to reach out to our team. Again, thank you to Industry Insights for the recognition as Startup of the Year. It's crazy that our company is almost 10 years old and we're still operating as a startup, failing fast, and really pushing the envelope when it comes to technology in the home. So again, thank you. We look forward to future recognition, awards, and driving the experience forward for our customers. Also, for anybody out there who is attending CES who wants to learn more about Josh AI and what we're building here, feel free to reach out to me, Casey, C-A-S-E-Y, at josh.ai. It would be great to meet anybody out there that is, again, working in the smart home, wants to learn more about it, explore synergies with different products and companies. That's what I do here is put everything together for us. So yeah, if you're headed to Vegas, look forward to seeing you there. And don't be a stranger as well. Reach out. We'll have to connect with everybody out there.
Steve, are you going to be at CES?
Of course I am, Tiffany. How could I not be?
Me too. So you can reach out to both of us if you'd like to meet with us as well. And Josh AI, I mean, it's crazy to think that they are still operating as a startup when they've been around for several years. And I know that I first heard about Josh AI from Bill Pugh on when we were about to do our smart home webinar, when we were doing our Industry Insights webinars regularly. And he was bragging about how amazing the Josh AI is in his house and that it can control all of his IoT devices, which, knowing Bill Pugh, I'm sure the house is super connected. And we were able to have Alex Capistrano join us for that webinar. So very big congratulations to Josh AI.
Yep, I agree. It's a well-deserved, cool product.
And Steve, our next category is IoT Company of the Year. Would you please read the description for us?
Absolutely. Year award stands as a beacon for recognition of an organization that has not only embraced the essence of what we're trying to accomplish in this industry of IoT, but also transformed the landscape with incomparable innovation, transformative solutions, sustained excellence. This award acknowledges the unwavering endeavor of technology advancements and groundbreaking strategies and visionary leadership that has helped the IoT sector reach new heights. And we are happy to announce that the nominees for this are Core Wireless, HAE Innovations, and Security Things. And the winner is, are you going to drum roll again for this one, Tiffany? There you go.
I am.
Is HAE Innovations, a leading end-to-end IoT design and manufacturing company dedicated to delivering everything that's cutting edge around solutions that's driving your company's growth and efficiency. And one of the great things that Hesham has built here as a company is that it is New Jersey based in Skillman, outside of Princeton. It is US, so it's onshore. You can get the turnkey design and seek contract manufacturing CM done by them, as well as working with them for device certification. So fantastic, well-deserved, great organization. Hearing nothing but great things from them.
I love that they offer the end-to-end solution. I know more and more companies are looking for that ease of deployment. So congratulations to HAE Innovations. And we may have a video for them. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
All right. Maybe not. And the next category
is live video, baby.
And the next category is Best IoT Security Solution. And Johannes and I continue to report on a variety of IoT-related vulnerabilities during our IoT Marketing Live news broadcasts. But Steve, do you feel that IoT security challenges are increasing, or have we kind of leveled out and gotten a handle on it?
Oh no, we don't have a handle on it. Not even not even close. I mean, it is still a category that is very, very important to where we go as an industry future wise. The regulations and the things that are coming down the pipe, just not only on a B2B enterprise side, but definitely on the consumer side with the new cybersecurity labeling program that has just been announced with UL Solutions being the head group that has been selected by the FCC and all the other companies that were announced in a press release yesterday. So we have these security challenges on vulnerability data, what's going on devices, trying to understand lifecycle management. There's several companies that are outstanding in this space, though several of them will be at CES as well. So I think that the security challenges are not going to go away anytime soon. Everybody has a little twist on what they do, but all in all, you must address this if you are a company providing solutions or the end user corporation that's using it.
I would have to agree with that, Steve. IoT security solution. Here is the description. From cybersecurity and data to mobile and network, the Best IoT Security Solution Award encompasses all aspects of security in the IoT realm. This award recognizes a proven solution that focuses on enhancing the safety, stability, and reliability of the Internet of Things. And the nominees are Riot Secure, Otho, and Armis. And the winner is Riot Secure. Riot Secure aims to be a beacon of security in the expansive landscape of the Internet of Things. Born from the necessity to ensure foundational security within software development for IoT solutions, they are committed to making security accessible for all IoT devices, regardless of their computational power and memory resources. And I believe we do have the video from them.
Well, thank you for this incredible honor. On behalf of the entire team at Riot Secure, I'm delighted to accept the award for the Best IoT Security Solution of the Year. This recognition is testament to the hard work and dedication of our team, who have been relentlessly focusing on redefining IoT security. Our platform combines a hardware sandbox model with a patented security communication model, ensuring robust, efficient, and scalable solutions for IoT devices across various industries. At Riot Secure, we believe that security is the foundation of the connected world. This award reinforces our commitment and delivering innovative solutions that enable developers, manufacturers, and organizations to secure their IoT ecosystems without compromise. Thank you to the organizers and the judges for recognizing our efforts. I'd also like to thank our customers and partners who have trusted us and supported us over the last 7 years. We're excited about the future of IoT security, and this award is a powerful motivator for us to continue pushing boundaries. We're also going to be launching our platform to the public soon. So once again, thank you for this incredible recognition.
Yay.
Yay, excellent. All right, congratulations.
They have won a lot of awards, but none as good as ours.
Yes, absolutely. And our next category is the greenest IoT solution. And this topic is important to me because there's such a need for green solutions and green technology strategies, especially as we see so much energy consumption around AI. It's important that we approach things in a green and sustainable manner. Steve, do you feel that the industry is getting more green conscious?
Well, now that I have 3 grandchildren, I'm concerned about green for everybody, for everything. So the answer is yes. I think that we're trying to push the boundaries of green technology as it relates to IoT. And I think that if you start to look at green technologies emerging existing technologies that are there, they're improving. We're increasing and getting better at monitoring and managing the impact on the planet. And the Greenest IoT Solution Award acknowledges innovative technologies that are going to find ways to reduce waste and drive efficiency in our markets. And so the nominees are Transition Technology, Soracom, and Schneider Electric. And the winner is, drum roll, please. Schneider Electric is the winner this year of the Green IoT Award, and it is Schneider Electric. We all know it's a global specialist in energy management, and automation with operations in more than 100 countries, and does an amazing job of being able to take the industrial space that they're in and secure it with green related product offerings. So very well deserved, Schneider Electric.
Yes, congratulations, Schneider.
Electric has been energizing America. But instead of looking at where we've been, let's look at where we're going together. America is ready to advance its sustainable future, calling for rapid electrification and digitization of the country's infrastructure. Our goal is to help your homes, companies, and businesses make an impact for generations to come. This is all possible with the teamwork of innovators, dreamers, entrepreneurs, and engineers. We deliver solutions that help our customers and partners turn ambition into action, like developing the first neighborhood microgrid, powering the electrification of the automotive industry, transforming manufacturing into smart factories, and helping companies reach their efficiency goals faster. From coast to coast, we're empowering companies to accelerate their sustainability journeys, manufacturing more of our innovative products and solutions stateside, and providing training and jobs that are vital to the advancement of infrastructure across the country. This momentum keeps us moving on our path as America's digital partner for sustainability and efficiency. We are Schneider Electric.
All right. Congratulations, Schneider Electric. And the next category is IoT use case of the, or IoT case study of the year. What is the most interesting case study that you've witnessed this year, Steve?
There's so many of them, and it is so important for companies to utilize building a case study around a white paper or a POC or something that they've done. It is still the easiest way to bring that strategy to market for your company and your service or your product that you're offering. So this is one of the greatest categories that we have every year, because trying to understand where these are coming from and what they produce.
The IoT Case Study of the Year Award honors the exceptional demonstration of innovation, problem solving, and transformative impact within the IoT landscape. Evaluated on criteria encompassing technological innovation, real-world application, scalability, and measurable impact, this award recognizes a case study that serves as a beacon of inspiration, illustrating the power of IoT in reshaping industries, enhancing efficiencies, and addressing societal challenges. It spotlights a remarkable case study that not only illuminates the potential of IoT solutions, but also sets a new standard for excellence with the ever-evolving IoT ecosystem. And the nominees are Team Connect, Soracom, and Presale One. And the winner is Connect. Connect is a leading deployment and project management company connecting what's next for high-performance, enterprise-grade, wired, wireless, and SD-WAN networks. Congratulations, Connect.
Take any type of technology and you need to deploy that at scale, multiple sites, or a large number of devices at a single site, then we're the guys that specialize in doing that. Typically, it's your switching, routing, any type of technology device. It could be even as simple as a display. Anyone can go out and install that in one site. When I talk about scale, and when I have 2,400 sites to install, now you've increased the complexity. How do I get that scheduled? How do I get the resources assigned that's going to achieve that? How do I project manage that and get it done in the time frame that I need it done? And that's where we specialize, in developing that plan, but then executing that plan. And then most importantly is putting a quality assurance layer around that to make sure it's done effectively and done correctly. Our vision is to be the most trusted technology deployment partner in North America. The reason that is because our whole business is built around our customers and our partners. AT&T, CDW, Ahead, Worldwide Technologies, Presidio, all over the board. And if we can be the most trusted partner that they have, then we're going to be successful.
Well, they must have some happy customers because there were a lot of people voting for them. So congratulations, Connext.
Very good.
And the next category is IoT Platform of the Year. And there are so many IoT platforms. What are some of the trends that you're seeing for IoT platforms, Steve?
Well, we're seeing consolidation. We're seeing niche-oriented platform providers make a living doing it now. While there is so many of them still in our space, there is a differentiation coming. As 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, when we did this, it was like hard to differentiate between which one was doing what for who, but it has become so much better today than ever before. So the IoT Platform of the Year platform that has become the cornerstone of connectivity, innovation, and transformative capabilities within the IoT realm. This accolade acknowledges a platform that has demonstrated unmatched versatility, scalability, and visionary leadership, serving as the bedrock for seamless integration, data-driven insights, and revolutionary advancements across diverse industries. Judged on its ability to foster interoperability, empower developers, drive business efficiencies, and facilitate groundbreaking IoT solutions, this award recognizes a platform that is shaping the future of connected technologies and driving the global IoT ecosystem towards unprecedented possibilities. And this year's nominees are Comprise Agency, Soracom, and AMI Global. Are you ready for this one, Tiffany? And the winner is Soracom.
Sorghum. Nice.
Very, very proud of these guys. They're a great organization. They're a global provider of smart IoT connectivity, offering cloud native wireless service design specifically for the needs of the connected devices. Been around for a while, doing great work with some great partners and great clients. So very proud to have these guys as a winner of the IoT Platform of the Year. Do we have a video for these two?
The Internet of Things is growing fast, but new connections bring new challenges: security, scalability, control. How do you get the best from IoT in the cloud without exposing your data and devices to the worst? Soracom is purpose-built for IoT, with affordable global connectivity and secure cloud integration to let you control, scale, connect, and protect your IoT network. From startup to enterprise, across industries and around the world, you create, we connect.
Congratulations, Soracom.
Yep, I was talking to Richard Halliday this morning at Soracom, and they will be at CES if anybody wants to understand a little bit more about their platform.
All right, great. Thanks, Steve. And next, it is IoT Product of the Year. And this is always a difficult category because there are so many IoT products. And we can only name a few to highlight, but thank goodness that there's nominations because now it's up to the audience. And so what are some of the most interesting IoT products that you're seeing come out this year, Steve?
You said it perfectly, Tiffany. This year has been amazing with new products. While we can always say a sensor is a sensor is a sensor or a device is a device, this year there has been so many releases of really cool disruptive product offerings in all different vertical market segments. And so it just continues to grow. It continues to be amazing. You go to the trade shows as much as you and I do, seeing some of these new products from new companies from all over the world. I mean, and that's the best thing about it. So I just love every minute of this Product of the Year award.
All right. And the Year award is given to a business that has created an exceptional IoT product. And this can be a connected solution that serves any type of industry as long as the product is considered in the family of the Internet of Things, has brought impactful value to the IoT ecosystem, and you're able to prove successful results from its use. And the nominees are Josh AI, Smart Tech, and Blue's Note Card. And the winner is Blue's Note Card. And I love Blue's Note Card. What a great product. But the Note Card is a customizable IoT module offering low power, secure connectivity through cellular, Wi-Fi, and LoRa networks. Congratulations, Blues.
At Blues Wireless, we are working to solve the problem of wireless IoT connectivity once and for all. We enable you to connect any device to any cloud, using any language, any microcontroller, and any cloud application. How exactly? Let's dive in. This is the Note Card. It's a 30 by 35 millimeter device-to-cloud data pump that comes prepaid with 500 megabytes of data, 10 years of cellular service, and no connection or disconnection fees. There are both narrowband and wideband Note Cards that work globally or are more region-specific, running on Cat1, LTE-M, and NB-IoT protocols. They all include GPS and an accelerometer, and are low power by default, sipping a mere 8 microamps when idle. This is also a Note Card, but this one communicates over Wi-Fi, with the same footprint and using the same developer APIs as the cellular Note Card. Together, these enable mixed cellular and Wi-Fi deployments with no code changes required. The Note Card is secure by default. Cellular communications occur off the public internet via a security layer built into the network transport. The Note Card can also encrypt your data if needed. And as mentioned, all Note Cards work with any microcontroller or single-board computer. We don't dictate your MCU choice. This includes everything from a Feather M4 Express to an Adafruit Huzzah 32 to an Arduino Nano, even the full line of Raspberry Pi models, from the tiny Pico to the Zero to the big Raspberry Pi 4. The Note Card can be embedded in a new or existing IoT solution via its M2 Edge connector. This is most easily accomplished via note carriers. A note carrier is effectively a bridge between a Note Card and your MCU or single-board computer. There are varieties of note carriers available, from the Note Carrier AF, which provides a socket for Feather-compatible MCUs, to the Note Carrier A line with LiPo, solar, or AA battery connections, to the Note Carrier Pi Hat for Raspberry Pi compatible computers, to the Note Carrier B, which is a small form factor note carrier. A note carrier and Note Card by themselves can even work together as a fully functional asset tracker without using a host MCU. The Note Card also works with any programming language. Blues Wireless provides SDKs for Python, Arduino, Go, and C or C++. Our community has even built libraries for .NET and Rust. Everything into and out of the Note Card is JSON, including the API itself. The JSON-based API enables developers to use a familiar syntax to control virtually every aspect of the Note Card. Packets of sensor data collected on the Note Card are referred to as notes. When the Note Card establishes a network connection, these notes are securely synced with our cloud service NodeHub off the public internet, or in the case of the Wi-Fi Note Card, over TLS. NodeHub is a thin cloud layer that enables secure routing of your data to any endpoint you need, whether it's AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or your own custom endpoint. You can even use an IoT-specific provider like Datacake, Losant, or Ubidots. NodeHub also provides full fleet management capabilities and secure OTA updates for Note Card and host firmware. Communication isn't just a one-way street either. Note Card and NodeHub provide bi-directional communication capabilities, so data can flow from the cloud to fleets of Note Cards to update variables, change settings, or issue commands. From your first device to your 10,000th, Blues Wireless will equip you with what you need to help you deliver your unique value end-to-end. Learn more about Blues Wireless and
Well, congratulations to Blues Wireless. Some of the things that I really like about them winning Product of the Year is the fact that it incorporates security. It's so versatile. And I love that when they are at a trade show and they set up their exhibit, that it's not just, here are the products. They have all of these different case studies within their booth where they have so many different businesses that are using their Note Card and showing all the various applications. Well done, Blues. Very much well deserved.
And they will be at CES as well in the IoT section on the floor. So it's great. Totally agree.
Yes, indeed. And when it comes to, now let's move forward into our individual awards. And when it comes to manufacturing, it seems that most manufacturers are incorporating smart and digital automation as well as AI. AI is just becoming one of the things that you just have to have in these solutions. But Steve, are there any other trends that you're seeing for smart manufacturing?
Well, connected solutions in manufacturing is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. And you have to be able to understand where this fits into the manufacturing field. And this Smart Manufacturing Executive of the Year award basically acknowledges in manufacturing field who have made accomplishments in digital transformation. This award honors executives who have specialized in smart manufacturing or those working within a manufacturing organization who have demonstrated outstanding leadership or were instrumental in transitioning to smart manufacturing. Big part of the world today is making sure that the manufacturing lines throughout the world are run efficiently with IoT involved as well as green. So the nominees today, and thank you, Tiffany, for giving me ones with the greatest names in the world. Kudzai, Walter Reynolds, Jessica Kinman, Elise Ring, and Brandon McLamb. And the winner is, go ahead, give me it.
It's Kudzai Mediteresa.
From Hive MQ. He's a senior industry solutions advocate. He partners with leading manufacturing companies to build robust data foundations for advanced analytics and AI use. And those cases are through effective thought leadership that Kudzai has provided. So fantastic. Congratulations to him and Hive MQ for what they do.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kudzai Manditeresa. I'm a senior industry solutions advocate at Hive MQ, and I'm truly honored to accept the Smart Manufacturing Executive of the Year award. So first of all, I want to express my gratitude to the IoT marketing team for this recognition and for the incredible work that they continue to do to educate the community on smart manufacturing. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire Hive MQ team, as well as our partners and customers who have been instrumental in helping drive the digital transformation of manufacturing. So in a nutshell, at Hive MQ, we believe that smart manufacturing is not just about deploying cutting-edge solutions, but it is about creating a connected ecosystem where data flows freely, securely, and intelligently across the entire manufacturing value chain. Now, over the past years, I've been fortunate to engage with thought leaders, practitioners, and innovators in the smart manufacturing community, both through my work at Hive MQ with our clients and partners, and also through Industry 4.0 TV educational platform, and through my AI in Manufacturing podcast. These conversations continually remind me how critical it is that we unite information technology, operation technology, and now artificial intelligence to turn raw data into real-time actionable intelligence. So this award is in many ways a testament to the collaborative efforts of a vibrant community dedicated to shaping the future of manufacturing. So once again, thank you so much for this recognition. I'm humbled and inspired to continue championing the principles of data-driven innovation in manufacturing. Thank you.
That was great.
Congratulations, Kudzai. And he did a great session during our Summit of Things event. So you'll have to check that out if you haven't yet. It's still available on demand. So you can register at iotmktg.com. And our next category is the most inspiring woman in tech. And I'm extremely excited to present this category because I love seeing women succeed and being more incorporated into this incredible technology landscape. It's just so fascinating. The more I learn, the more I'm continue to be inspired to learn more. And it's also exciting because I was recently named one of the 10 most influential business leaders to watch in 2024 by Fortune's Crown magazine, and top 10 most influential CMOs to watch in 2024 by CXO Views magazine. So thank you for those awards. Steve, are you seeing more of a presence across the industry for women in tech?
You better remember, I congratulated you big time on that one. That was awesome. It was well deserved for you to get those awards, Tiffany. You know what? If you've ever heard me speak over the last 10, 20 years, I've always brought up the fact that we need more women and more minorities in the IoT space. It is inspiring to see more women getting involved and more in executive roles within organizations and bringing forth their great sense of technology with the humanistic approach. And so if you are out there in the IoT world, volunteer for a STEM or a STREAM program, get to campuses and start to teach more young ladies out there and minorities what this industry can do for them and what they can bring to the table. So I am thrilled about this category. I'm so proud of you and what you've done and what you've accomplished in the last year on a lot of different levels. And I love this award. I think it's fantastic, and I love being a part of this.
Thank you, Steve. It's always a pleasure when I go to work on this category and I'm like, oh, I have won a few awards again this year. So the list continues to grow. So I'm honored as well. And the Most Inspiring Woman in Tech Award honors a woman who has made an impactful contribution to the technology industry, whether through technical innovation and leadership or by serving as an inspiration to other women seeking to progress further in the industry. And the nominees are Josephine Yam, Glenda Carnate, Nancy Ekagu, Sarah Annette, and Ana Tavares Latebudier. See, Steve, I also get difficult names.
I wanted nothing to do with that.
And the winner is Sarah Annette. And she is a digital infrastructure and telecoms manager for the Digital Isle of Man. Congratulations.
Do we have her on video?
Sarah, I don't believe that we have a video for Sarah.
Well, for those that are out there, if you go on LinkedIn, go look at her postings and what she's all about. Her ability to take AI technology and put it into an AI literacy program is amazing. She has spoken really with a great amount of knowledge around AI and where things are within the telecom industry and digital infrastructure. So go take the time, link in with Sarah, and understand a little bit more about what she's providing to the market.
And Sarah, if you're watching, we'd love to have you participate in the Summit of Things or AI Summit. Get in touch with us.
Great. Yeah, exactly.
And our next category is IoT Executive of the Year. And Steve, of course, you've won this award in the past, and I still think you could win it every year because you are kind of the godfather, king of IoT in my book, and such a icon in the industry. But please share the description for IoT Executive of the Year for us.
IoT Executive of the Year award given to an exceptional executive in the IoT field who has made significant contributions to the business that this individual works with. The award honors an individual who has given time and energy to move the industry forward through impactful innovation. This award honors executives who specialize in IoT or are working within an IoT organization. And the nominees are several good friends, Leonard Lee, Prakash Sankam, Hersham, who we talked about before, and Roy Dagan. And the winner is Roy Dagan from Security Things. Do we have a video from Roy?
No, we're not able to get in touch with Roy to have him film his acceptance video. But congratulations, Roy, on being IoT Executive of the Year.
Yeah, he's he's based in Israel. He's the CMO of the company, a CEO of the company. Great things coming out of them. They're around securing devices and providing insights on those devices that are out there. So well deserved. He's worked his tail off to get to where he is and where the company is. So well deserved, Roy.
And a big congratulations to all of the winners. And as a winner of one of these esteemed awards, winners will receive a host of benefits, including certificate of recognition, a featured interview on LinkedIn Live and YouTube. So if you're watching and you won, reach out to us. We would love to film this for you. You also get a digital logo for royalty-free use online and in print. And you will also receive a press release from IoT Marketing, as well as mention and recognition on our website, social media outlets, newsletter, and a mention during the IoT Marketing Live news broadcast. So again, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you to everyone for joining us for this awards ceremony. And of course, thank you so much, Mr. Brummer, for joining me as my co-host again this year.
Oh my God, do I go for number 6?
Next year, here we go. Yes. And as we wrap up, let's bring Johannes back. Possibly, yeah.
Come on.
All right. Well, Johannes,
He
you're in our
might have run away from us. He's had enough of us, Tiffany. He's like, I'm out of here.
Johannes, what did you think
Great
of
job,
the
guys.
awards?
No, a great job, and a lot of hard work getting everybody selected. And also, I like that I could see a little bit in the background that a lot of people worked very hard to get their company selected for this award. So kudos, it's a great show.
Thanks, Johannes. And as our award ceremony comes to a close, we want to invite everyone to be sure to attend our 2025 Emerging Trends Forecast that's coming up on January 23rd. I can't believe it's already 2025, and we have 25 great trends for all the new technologies that you'll want to be definitely up to par on. So be sure to attend that, as well as our Green Things Summit in April, our AI Summit in July, and Summit of Things in October of 2025. So be sure to reach out to us if you want to participate and be a part of one of these amazing events, and you can register at iotmktg.com. Anything to add about our upcoming events, Johannes?
Well, I definitely would like to mention our monthly IoT Marketing Live newscast, where we bring the latest news in the IoT and AI world.
Thanks, Johannes. And I think that pretty much wraps everything up. So as we mentioned at the beginning of the award ceremony, IoT Marketing does offer an array of services, as well as Mr. Brummer. So get in touch with us if you need anything at all. We will get you covered. We know everybody in the industry, what's going on. So we will definitely help you in every which way. And again, thank you so much, Steve, for joining us.
My pleasure. I love every minute of this. It's great.
Any final words, Johannes?
Well, I would like to add that the Emerging Trends Forecast is in 6 weeks, so that's our next event. So anybody who wants to participate, sponsor, advertise, please contact us. It's going to be a great event.
Perfect. Well, thank you again so much for joining us today. Congratulations to all the winners. Happy holidays. And if you plan on being at CES, we will be too. So reach out to us. We'd love to meet with you. Thanks, Steve. Thanks, Johannes.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Thank you, guys. Happy holidays.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.